received my Codeavour 2020 International AI and Coding Competition prize in the group 7 to 9. So let's see what's inside. Yeah. So let's start opening it. So I'm going to take this out. Yay! So this is the Apple iPad. I am just going to open it and let's see what's there. So now we're going to open the Apple iPad and here is the amazing Apple iPad. Yay! So now let's see what's next. This is a t-shirt and my certificate. So let's take the certificate and this is my Codeavour t-shirt. So in the front we have this and it says, I create things you wish existed. And they are in blocks. And here is the back of the Codeavour t-shirt.